G'day, I'm Lloyd, and behind me is a Track Trailer Zenith, or as we nickname it, the B-Van. I'm going to show you around, make you acquainted with all the features of my unique van, and hopefully by the end of it, you're going to want to take it on a trip. Some of the major benefits of the Track Trailer T-Van are the hard walls and roof around the bed area. So your bed always remains insulated and looked after. And then you've got the tent off the back. So that takes about 5 minutes to set up. We've got an ensuite out the side, and you can even stop for a quick overnight and put a fly screen over the rear of the camper. Let's go on inside and I'll show you the digs. The B-Van is a premium off-road camper trailer manufactured by Track Trailers, who have been in the game for, well, more than 20 years. This model, the Zenith, has got everything that a camper could possibly want to head out back. I mean, let's start with the kitchen. It's a full stainless steel pull-out kitchen, integrated windshields, 3-burner, integrated sink, diesel heating and hot water, and well, part of the package is that it comes with everything you need. So I've got cups, bowls, plates, knives, forks, the works. And behind me here, we've got a pull-out pantry and a 60-litre Evercool fridge. If you're planning on travelling for an extended period of time, we've also got you covered. So it's got a 120 watt solar panel on the roof, integrated 100 amp hour lithium battery, 108 litres worth of water, and it's also got feed points so you can pick up water as you go. So that's the B-Van. If you've got any questions, get in touch, call Outback HQ, they look after this baby, and hopefully we'll see you out on the road sometime soon.